Hi guys, as you can see now we have also the sidecar boat on the frame and the motorcycle. It is complete. Like I said before, it is not a restoration, not even a repair, because this sidecar boat was just sanded a little and sprayed with green paint. We can see that I don't have a work done on this sidecar boat. I did not assemble the lever for opening the trunk. We can see also that inside it was not painted. It was made only in order to complete the bike and to be able to go on a sidecar gathering that we have here in Romania. So the sidecar boat, it was painted more than 1 month ago. We are in August now, and I have finished the sidecar boat somewhere on 10th of July. We can see that the sidecar, it is higher than the motorcycle, and that is because of the tire. This Mitas tire, it has a dimension 3.75 with 19, and on the bike I have 3.5 with 19. I have put this 3.5 with 19 because I wanted so. The original BMW R71 had this dimension, so I have to buy another tire to put for the sidecar. The suspension, it is working great, even though the rear bush for the suspension system, it is worn out. But it is riding okay. I don't have problems with the steering. It keeps the bike straight. So now I will keep the sidecar until I will decide to make a restoration, or at least to make a repair for the sidecar. That means the sidecar boat and the frame of the sidecar to be stripped down again, sandblasted, repaired if necessary, buying all the necessary parts in order to make it like a new one. Also, I don't like the leaf springs for the sidecar. Somehow they are too tall. They are keeping the sidecar boat too tall, and I want it to be lower. I think we can see from the side at the rear of the sidecar it is too high, at least for my taste. So I want to make it lower, because if we watch from below, you can see the floor of the sidecar. It is not parallel with the frame, and I believe it must be parallel or almost parallel with the sidecar frame, but that I will see in the future. Also, I'm thinking after I will clean the leaf spring to eliminate 1, 2, 3 leaf spring in order to make the sidecar boat to go down, to be lower. Also, another problem that I have, as you can see, I have put some rubber here. This is not the correct rubber buffers. I have rubber buffers, but they are too thick in order to put inside here, so I have to figure it out why those rubber buffers are too thick. But I will solve this problem. So I'm already thinking to keep this sidecar in this state for another 1 year. That means the next year I will ride with this sidecar like this, unrestored. And maybe after that I am thinking which it will be the final project for this bike. And when I will decide the final project, I will start to restore the sidecar. To be honest, not even the motorcycle is not entirely finished. It is an ongoing process, and when I will decide what I will do with this motorcycle, I will make a restoration.